pwede namang hindi ikaw. Kung mawala ka sa business operations mo ng isang linggo, tuloy pa rin ba ang lahat o hihinto? Let's be honest, anak, because here is the truth. If your business cannot run without you, then your business is still built around you. At hindi yan freedom ha, that is dependency. At alam mo anak, maraming business ang nagsisimula sa ganito. Ikaw ang gumagawa ng lahat, ikaw ang nagbubukas, ikaw ang nagbebenta, ikaw ang nag-aayos ng problema. And in the beginning, that's okay because that's how businesses are built. Pero over time, more customers came in. The work kept growing, so you began hiring people. At dito na dapat nagbabago ang role mo. Pero ang nangyayari, ikaw pa rin ang sentro ng lahat. Ikaw pa rin ang tinatawag kapag may problema. Ikaw pa rin ang nagde-decide sa lahat. Ikaw pa rin ang huling checkpoint ng bawat galaw. And even if you already have a team, pakiramdam mo, ikaw pa rin ang pinaka-busy, pinaka-pagod, at minsan pinaka-stuck. So you start asking yourself, bakit parang ako pa rin? Bakit parang hindi gumagaan? Bakit hindi ako makaalis kahit na sandali? And if you've experienced this, there is a reason behind it. Habang nagbabasa ako ng messages, I came across something that many business owners are quietly struggling with. Tulad nito, sabi, Mami N, bakit kahit na may staff na ako, parang ako pa rin ang gumagawa ng lahat sa negosyo? Well, here are 5 reasons why your business still depends on you. 1. You made yourself the center of everything. 2. You believe na mas maayos kapag ikaw ang gumagawa. 3. You became the decision bottleneck. 4. You never clearly transferred authority. And 5. You are holding on because of fear. Minsan hindi mo kailangan dagdagan ng ginagawa mo eh. Kailangan mo lang makita kung alin ang dapat mong baguhin. Kaya, let's be business-minded Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team, pero gusto ng may structure, accountability, at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now anak ha! The link is in the comment section.